All right, this is a screencast about how you would go to a website that promotes musicals and find information about the musicals that you're interested in, or if you just want to peruse them. So this website that I'm going to today is Music Theater International. If you click on that, it will take you to this first screen. If you look on the left sidebar, you're going to click on Shows and then Browse Shows. And then as you can see at the top there, it's kind of a main page, and you scroll down and you have tons and tons and tons of choices, all in alphabetical order. So if you use these numbers up here, you can go to different pages if you have a specific one in mind that you wanted to research, or you can just kind of go through and see what's there. Again, some of these names will be familiar to many of you. Some of them will not. Some of them are not even familiar to me. So there are tons and tons of musicals out there. But let's just pick one to kind of peruse just as an example. Let's do Annie. So if you click on that tab for Annie, it'll take you to the page that has information about that show. And so here, kind of in the main screen, kind of the middle of the page, it gives you kind of a synopsis of the show. You can click on any of these buttons here for a full synopsis, or materials and orchestration, which is if you were to order the show, what would you get with it? What does the band look like? So I'm going to click on that here. So if you were to have a band, how many woodwinds do you need? How many guitars? How many, that kind of thing, which is important to know if you're going to have a band. Also gives you the Ensemble Rolls. So if you look in that blue box here, full cast info, you can click on that. That will give you your character breakdown or main character, and what cast size there is, if there's children in the show, if there's a lot of dance requirements, and then it gives a little breakdown of who the character is, what their characteristics are as a person on stage, male or female, what their age would probably be, and also sometimes the vocal range. So that's really important when casting, that you obviously don't want to cast a tenor in a bass role that's got to sing really low, that kind of thing. And then if you scroll down a little bit, then it gives you some more information about the songs. So if you click on that tab, you can go over and listen to the songs if you're not familiar with them, which is kind of fun to, look at a show you've never listened to before, and, what's the style? Is it ragtime? Is it pop? Is it rock? Is it, more older type musical pieces? Cost estimator, which is important because it's probably going to cost at least $2,000 to just get the rights. That doesn't include costuming or anything like that you need to pay out for doing the show. So that's kind of the overall for Music Theater International. If you scroll down, they have some kind of more promotional videos here, and then you'd have to do some more research on your own. And it's important to kind of think about, okay, what's the storyline? Is it appropriate for our group? What messages does the show send, or what messages, if it's not a good one, can you talk about from the show? So that's a little preview for Music Theater International.